Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is quirky. Let's discover what this fun word means. Quirky means unusual in an interesting, charming, or slightly funny way. We can use it to describe people, habits, places, ideas, or things that are pleasantly different from what we normally expect. Here's an example. My aunt has a quirky habit of collecting tiny teacups from every country she visits. This means her habit is unusual and amusing in a charming way. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word quirky? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats! Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English with us. See you soon!